Habitat and adaptations. Pragya, do you know that the plants in mountains grow conical in shape and have flexible and sloping branches? Why do plants in plains not look like them? Vidhu, it happens due to difference in the climatic conditions. Not only plants, but animals in different regions also differ in their features. The special features that enable plants and animals to survive in a particular region are called adaptations. The main reasons for adaptation can be 1. Survival. Adaptations help organisms cope with challenges. Example, camouflaged animals like chameleon can blend into their surroundings to evade predators. 2. Resource utilization. Traits evolve to exploit available resources more effectively. Example, cacti have adapted with deep roots and thick, waxy skins to store water in arid environments. 3. Competition. Adaptations can provide an advantage over competing species. Example, the long neck of the giraffe allows it to reach leaves high in trees, reducing competition for food. 4. Environmental changes. Organisms must adapt to survive changes in their ecosystems. Example, polar bears have evolved thick fur and a layer of fat to withstand extreme cold in the Arctic. Let's learn more about adaptation in some plants and animals. Camel of hot desert of Rajasthan are different from camels of cold desert of Ladakh. Camel of hot desert, camel of cold desert. They have long legs and wide hooves. This helps camels to walk and run on sandy desert. They have short legs which allow them to walk easily on mountainous regions. They have one hump to store food. They have two humps to store food. They have very less hair on their body that helps them to maintain body temperature in summers. They have too much hair on their body that absorbs heat and help them to survive in cold deserts. Similarly, rhododendrons in the Shola forests of the Nilgiris exhibit shorter heights and smaller leaves. These features help them survive in mountainous environments. In contrast, rhododendrons found in Sikkim grow to greater heights, demonstrating the variations in growth forms based on different ecological conditions.